Hey, ladies, I want to come to you all today because I'm super excited because I have created She Builds with AI to walk women step by step through building a business with clarity, confidence, and simple AI tools. It's not meant to overwhelm, no more gatekeeping, okay? Just a clear roadmap. So, a step by step workbook to launch your side business. How awesome is that? Okay. So, it covers everything from business ideas to branding, content, AI prompts, talks about passive income and even CEO routines. It has everything. It's a curriculum to walk you through how to use AI to create a business or even just to make your current business run even smoother. Okay, so how do you use this workbook? You complete the worksheets, you use the AI prompts, you follow the 30-day launch plan, revisit chapters as you grow, and of course, give yourself some grace. Now, I'm not saying that this is the end all be all and you're going to be a millionaire tomorrow, but it is a step in the right direction to getting you set up for success to possibly make some passive income. Okay. So if you are ready to finally start your business and actually understand how to use AI to make it even easier, this workbook will guide you through every step. So just to kind of give you all some idea of what you will find in this book. It is 14 chapters, almost 250 plus pages of just pure information, right? So just going through some of it. One of the chapters that I'm going to highlight is the chapter on using AI to make your songs. It takes you through understanding song structure, turning your ideas into themes, and then also walks you through how you can use the different AI platforms to create music and talks to you about the money making opportunities in AI songwriting. No gatekeeping, y'all. I'm telling you the secrets. When we talk about seven streams of income, one of the seven streams of income deals with royalty, receiving passive income via royalty checks. How do you get royalty checks? Through songwriting, people listening and streaming your songs. In addition, there is a whole chapter up here about how to use AI to write a book. So it it's more nuggets in here than you will probably find in any other workbook. And it's all here for you. 14 chapters, and you can see 229 plus pages because of the glossary of key terms. And then there are even some bonus worksheets in there for you all as well. So, yes, guys, this is the best thing since sliced bread. Okay. Um, so if you are interested, then comment AI in the comments and I will send you the link. I'll send you the link to get this document. It is an easy download, instant download, and you can get started using it immediately. So, again, y'all, thank you. And I hope you get from this what it is intended to give. I thank you all in advance for those of you who purchased this document, and I hope you make lots and lots of passive income by using some of these tips and using AI. Don't be scared of it. You better make it your friend because it's not going anywhere. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye, y'all.